Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Yeah, I'm recording my intro like this because I didn't have quite enough time to make the previous intro for this video. But yeah, it's a Christmas collection video for vending machines. Hope you guys are having a great Christmas. But yeah, I'm filming the intro right now. So today we're just gonna go collect the cash for both 4 vending machines for all my routes, and we're gonna go and replenish them and fill them up. So come with me while we do all of that.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden. Saturday was spent in a parking lot. David, all we got was
Great, so that's it for machine number 1. So every products are filled. Happy about that. Now for the cash collection, it was really good. Saw a lot of products were sold, mostly popcorn. So I'm gonna do the cash review at the end, so you guys can know exactly how much it made in 2 weeks. Great, and we're basically all done. This time it is completely full, not like other times where I always miss one energy drink, but this one is all perfect. Apologize guys for the mess. It always gets like this after a vending machine route, but I'm just putting the stuff there. Make sure that when you transport your products, make sure to put them in a very stable position, you can say. I don't have straps on the back, but make sure that they're not like going, wiggling around in the back, because you do carry soda, pop, and those things, well, they can explode with the compressed air. So make sure that the heavy products go on the top. That's usually what the heavy products go at the bottom, smaller ones go at the top, so they're not moving around back there. Now at the third location, it was pretty slow at this time for 2 weeks. Can't say nothing much about that. Sales were just slow in general, but as I said before, this one is one of my slowest locations. And that's it for the third location. As I said, didn't sell as much, so wasn't much to replenish. Now on to the last and fourth location, which actually surprisingly it sold pretty good, not like last time. So a lot of bills were collected on this time. And yeah, normal product flow. It was pretty good. I think I mentioned this in a previous video, but for those who want to know exactly how this lock works, it's as you see it there. You gotta turn it, push the door in as well, and then push the lock inside. And that's it. So done for location number 4. So we're all done. Route is completely done. At the back of my car is still a mess, but we're gonna organize this as fast as we can. You can't really see it, but my hands are freezing cold at the moment, so I'm trying my best to get all the products inside their crates there, so we can move the products easily when I get home. But yeah, I'm freezing my ass off. And we are officially done for today. For the cash total, it was 166.50 cents, and for the card sales, it was 171 for those both weeks. So for all, it was 337.50 cents. Pretty regular week, nothing special. It was very good. And that was it. So that's cash collection for the whole route. And yeah. Other than that, hope you guys have a great Christmas day. Hope you can spend time with your family. If you can't spend time with your family, then it doesn't matter if you're alone. It's totally fine. I spend some Christmases alone sometimes. It's really no problem. I know mostly in Montreal it can get pretty lonely sometimes. The weather can get you down, but you have friends. Get close to your friends, and I'm sure it's gonna get better. And anyone that's starting a business in these times, I know it can be hard, but just keep on pushing, keep on going. It's really hard, I know, but eventually it will always pan out something great. So I'm getting too motivational now for the video, but anyways, have a good Christmas and Feliz Navidad.